you need a sturdy, high-quality 16-foot tripod? Well, if it so happens that you need one, stay tuned to this video and let me show you what I have for you. This one right here, it's exactly what I am talking about. And in just a second, with the magic of editing, I'm going to have it unpacked. Oh, not quite there yet. Let's try again. Oh my god, another one. Seriously? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Very sturdy tripod. Let's go into it. So the company RAUBAY sent me this product and asked me to create an honest review video about their product and share it with you guys, tell you my personal opinion on how well this tripod can be used in different situations. But who is RAUBAY, you might ask? These guys are specialized in designing, producing and selling affordable quality photo and video gear. You can find on their website the tripods, the backdrops, the lighting and other accessories that suit different purposes. This one right here, I think it's what I assume to be a bag for filling it with sand or with different weights in order for you to further stabilize the tripod, especially if it's windy outside. Or you just want to add an extra layer of security. Just real quick, let me make this video sound a bit more crisp. As you can see, it looks very professional. It is made out of aluminum and you can see already here 1, 2, 3, 4 adjustment points from which you can basically extend this pole further and further and further out, which I'm going to show you outside as well. What I really like about this tripod right off the bat is that when you are opening one segment, you can actually also hear that is air cushioned. So listen to this. That's pretty dope feature because this can prevent you from getting any injuries. For example, when you are closing one segment and you want to make it shorter, it's just going to slowly go down and not immediately collapse, which is a great feature. So that's already a huge bonus point from my side. This one is 16 feet tall when you extend it to its maximum, like I previously said, but you can also purchase it with a size of 24 feet. It is weighing around 8.6, 8.7 pounds and it has a payload of 8.8 pounds, so it can carry pretty heavy cameras, like for example the one that I am recording with right now. Let me show you now how that looks like. Alright, so I'm now going to show you with this double-sided screw with a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 of an inch what you can do. So most of my equipment that I have and I'm using has a 1/4 inch port. This tripod has a dual port adapter. That means you can put a double-sided screw either vertically on top of the tripod or horizontally, whatever fits your needs. You just have to tighten the screw here. This is now securely fixed. And now let's put all the devices on top and see how that looks like. So I have here the XbotGo Chameleon for different type of games like soccer, rugby, football and so on, basketball, you name it. And this has also a 1/4 inch port here in the back of it. So we are going to mount this one first. The easiest way to do it, of course, you take the screw out and you are inserting it here. And now it's really cool because you just have to insert it on top of the tripod, tighten the screw, that's it. You have already the first device ready to go. Okay, now let's assume you have a DSLR camera. I have here a Canon and as usual they also have a 1/4 inch port integrated in the bottom of the body. Same thing again, just insert the screw, tighten the screw and you're ready to go. Let's jump now to the next device. This one here that I have is a studio light. You just have to tighten the screw and you have the studio light just like that on top of the tripod. So I think you kind of got the idea, but I will try to show you now that even the big camera that I'm using right now can be mounted on this 1/4 inch. So this is the camera that I'm using now to shoot this video. At the bottom of it you also have again 2 1/4 inch ports. Yeah, go for this one, it's a bit closer. The screw is really tight and secure now. Just put the camera on top of the tripod. Like I said, this tripod has an 8.8 pounds payload, so you can really kind of like 4 kilograms weight you can attach on top of it. Before my phone falls from this tripod, let's just change back the cameras. So at this point, I guess you have already got a good impression about what this tripod can do and what its features are. Of course, there is a bit more to speak about it, and I'm going to show you in a bit on the football field outside. But before we go outside, I'm going to run a small test with the air cushioned system. This tripod has 4 telescopic segments that you can open. Okay, I'm ready now to untighten the first segment. 3, 2, 1. Not bad. I was afraid for a second, I swear. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. So yeah, this has been now as much as I could show you in the studio. We are now going to bring this bad boy outside on the football field. So let's go. Okay guys, so I am now outside finally after more than 10 days of waiting. The weather was very bad. Anyway, I just have now 1 single hour of light. So without further ado, let's jump into the base of this tripod. Okay, so we have here an adjustable screw that we can actually open and close, and that allows us to open up the base, make it broader, therefore increase the security and the stability of the tripod. So for example, I can open up this screw here and lower the entire base, as you can see, just like that. And the legs are actually at this angle at the widest, right? So we are closing now this screw here, setting it on the grass, but as you can see, the legs here are not touching the grass, so this is not stable at all, it's very wobbly. So what we are going to do is we are opening now this screw here in the middle, and we can adjust the second part of the base to the desired position, and this is what we need now. We have a 4-point anchoring stabilization on the ground. Close this screw as well, and we're ready to go. I hope you can still hear me good though. I don't have the microphone here with me. We have here, like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4 segments that we can open. So it's clever to start with the first one, which is above here. That's first one. We are opening the second one. Okay, this is getting very intimidating right now. And now the fourth one. Okay, so this is now the entire tripod completely opened. For reference, I am 6'1", and I'm going to go next to it. This is supposed to be 16 feet tall. So that's it. Alright, so this is kind of like a camera inception right now. I just started the Xbot to follow me. I'm just going to move further away from the camera, and as you can see, the device just follows me right now wherever I go, which is a pretty neat, pretty cool thing to do. And in combination with this tripod, you can actually use it for a bunch of cool activities. I'm also going to link it in the description below, but I am also going to show you how nicely it can be complemented by this RAUBAY tripod. Okay, now I'm just going to go and open this tripod, maybe 2 or 3 segments, lift the camera up in the air and see how it does. So here I just decided to lift up the camera to like 14 feet. I wanted to give you a visual of how this looks like on a football field. So I am really happy with this. It's looking very good. So you can imagine how well this would be on a soccer game or football or even a basketball game. So yeah, that does a great job. All right, now I have here the DSLR camera with me. And I am going to film with it from the tripod and see how well it can handle this camera and of course its weight at the full extended mode. So in terms of stability, I am very happy with it. Even though I am shaking the tripod, it's still stable and nothing happens. And that's very important when you have a $2,000 camera on top. So I am very pleased. I think the camera is weighing something around 1 kilogram. This is like 2.2 pounds. So it should be able to handle it pretty well. I run here the same test that I did indoors with the camera, only that this time the tripod was extended to 16 feet and the camera was on top of it. and as I was collapsing and closing each segment one by one, the camera was smoothly going back down, which made me very happy that the tripod works so well. What can I say? My final verdict for this tripod is that it's very stable, it's sturdy. I love the fact that you can open up the base the way you want, make it much wider or maybe a bit narrower. Of course, that comes at the expense of the stability. So yeah, I think it's a good price for this tripod. Just visit the page RAUBAY and have a look for yourself. You can also get it in 24 feet size, like I said. So if you enjoyed this video, thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions regarding this tripod, or if you want to know more details about how to use it, don't forget to drop me a comment in the comment section below, and check the links as well that I put in the description of this video, where you can purchase this tripod and also the XbotGo Chameleon. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching to the end. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up as well. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye bye.